Use dormant bank accounts to boost the economy. That suggestion from the opposition is part of its solution to the economic downturn due to COVID-19. The opposition spokesperson on finance revived the idea during a Jamaica Chamber of Commerce forum this morning. Herman Green reports.
It's not a new idea. For years, government ministers have been pushing to use monies left unattended for over 15 years in a bank, which are classified as dormant, to fund government initiatives. But in light of the economic challenges business operators face due to the COVID pandemic, the parliamentary opposition is suggesting this to the government.
We're talking about where individuals over a 15-year period have not claimed bank balances. The bank advertises people still after that 1-year period don't claim their funds, that those funds are used to establish a fund specifically for small and micro businesses.
While acknowledging the grants and other forms of financial assistance being provided by the government, the opposition spokesperson on finance, Julian Robinson, says a large number of micro, small and medium-sized enterprises are on the verge of collapse, while others have already been forced to close. He estimates that there are billions of dollars available from dormant accounts. However, he says the disbursement of this money would not be a handout.
We're proposing a fund which would lend money at concessionary rates. In the first instance, they can offer a moratorium of between 18 to 24 months on loan payments so that you allow firms an opportunity to get back in a position that they're earning so that they can repay those funds.
Mr. Robinson was a presenter at the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce online forum discussing economic recovery after COVID-19 on Thursday. He also suggested the formation of a new COVID task force beyond the parliamentary group to guide decisions over the next 2 years. This, he says, should comprise government and opposition representatives, medical professionals, as well as business and education sector representatives to present the best options to advise the government's decisions going forward. Herman Green, TVJ News.
2 suspects have been detained in connection with this morning's shooting in Homestead, St. Catherine. A civilian was killed and 2 Jamaica Defense Force soldiers injured. In a release today, the JDF said the soldiers were members of a joint police-military team conducting duties in the area. It said the 2 injured soldiers are being treated at hospital for their injuries. It's reported that shortly after 6 o'clock, the police-military team accosted a group of men in Homestead. The men reportedly opened fire, hitting the 2 soldiers. One of the soldiers was shot in the leg, while his colleague suffered a bullet wound to the stomach. The soldiers returned fire, hitting the civilian. It's reported that Homestead has been tense over the past week due to a gang feud.